In the next video, you will learn how to install your ULTRALOQ Latch 5 locks. Please read the important notes before installing it. This is what is included in the box. For this step, you need to measure 4 parts of your door. First, the thickness of your door is between 1 3/8 and 1 3/4 inches. The diameter of the deadbolt hole should be 1 inch. And the diameter of this hole, this one should be 2 1/8 inches. The backset has to be either 2 1/8 or 2 3/4 inches. Now, please install the latch and the strike. You can adjust the length depending on the backset of your door. Then, secure it to the door using screw AA. After that, install the strike on the door frame using screws AA, ensuring the latch is matching the hole on the strike. To install the exterior assembly, first, installing the spindle in the exterior assembly, and make sure the triangle is facing upwards as highlighted. Align the spindle with the square hole on the latch, and route the cable through the hole above the latch. To install the mounting plate, place it on the correct position. Then secure it using screws BB. To install the interior assembly, attach the connector, press it firmly until the connector is plugged. Align the spindle and insert it in the hole on the interior assembly. Secure the interior assembly using the screws CC and DD. Insert 4 AA batteries, then install the battery cover. Secure the battery using the screw E. To install the handles, put the handle on the handle set. Make sure the handle is point away from door's edge. Using the hex wrench provided, ensure the set screw anti-clockwise inside the handle base. To unlock the ULTRALOQ Latch 5 locks, just activate the screen, input the code and press the enter button, then push the handle down to open it. You can also use the fingerprint to unlock Latch 5 fingerprint.